Have you ever heard about the dark web? It's like the hidden part of an iceberg. Most of it is out of sight. It's a place full of secrets, both fascinating and risky. Today, I'm gonna show you how safely take your first steps into this mysterious world using VPN and Tor. Wait, but remember, this is just the start. In our next videos, we will explore even more secure way how to access the dark web. So, ready to dive in and see what's out there? Let's get started. And you know guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friend, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Let's dive in. A quick reminder, accessing the dark web is risky, and this video is for educational purposes only. Always use caution and respect the law. But first, what exactly is the dark web? It's not just a shady corner of the internet. The dark web actually was created for good reasons, like giving people a place to speak freely and protect their privacy. Think about journalists who need to keep their sources safe, or regular folks who just want to keep their online activities private. It's used for things like accessing news in countries with strict internet censorship or joining private focused communities. However, the same privacy that makes the dark web useful also attracts criminals. It's a place where illegal activities can happen because people can stay anonymous.
Yes, anonymous.
You can find things like stolen personal information, which makes it crucial to be careful when navigating the dark web. Alright, let's get started with step 1. You need to download the Tor browser. Head over to their official website. I will leave the link in the description below. So make sure you are on their official website. All you have to do is press download, and it is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. So for this demonstration, I will show you how to download this for Linux. So press download for Linux and let the magic happen. So for Windows users, once the installation is done, install the Tor browser just like any other software. Follow the installation prompt until it's fully installed on your computer. But for Linux users, we still have some work to do. Open up your terminal. Let's make that bigger. Alright, head over your download directory. You will find your file just right here. But we have to uncompress the file. To do so, type tar-xf and specify your file name. Okay, list, and you should have something like this. Navigate through it, Tor browser, list, and start our browser. Let's go. Alright, here it is. It looks nice. But before connecting to the browser, we have to add some security. Okay, let's configure the connection. Go to the privacy security, scroll down, and select the safest one. Okay, we're good now. But before connecting to the browser, we will add another layer of security. We will connect to the VPN. Let's do that. Let's set up our VPN. There are many services out there, but make sure to choose one that doesn't keep your logs and offers strong encryption. A VPN will mask your IP address and encrypt your internet connection. So let's connect to the VPN. Just for the record guys, I'm not sponsored by this app. I wish I was. So let's go back to our browser, and now let's hit connect. It's loading. So let's try the famous website, Hidden Wiki, I guess, or something like that. Yeah, this is it, the Hidden Wiki. Let's see what this link has. So keep in mind guys, when you use the website, you will be accessing site with .onion. If you mention here, you see, it's different from the regular browser. These are special addresses that can only be accessed through Onion network. Onion refers to the layers of encryption used to protect your identity and activities. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion to reach the core, but in reverse, adding layer of encryption for protection. So that means you are kinda protected. So you should be always cautious. So let's see some links. What we got here. As you can see, there are a lot of links here, but I'm not going into any of them because I'm not interested. Just be careful guys when you're navigating into Onion. It's not as safe as the regular browser. So just be careful. Just a few safety tips that you don't have to avoid. Don't ever share your personal information. Avoid clicking on suspicious links, and never ever download files from untrusted sites. And here's an extra tip. So for me, when I want to access the Tor, I prefer doing it through a virtual machine. So that adds another layer of security as well. So the dark web can be a risky place, so it's better to stay safe and anonymous. And remember to regularly update your Tor browser and your VPN software to ensure you have the latest security features. So let's take a moment to understand more about onion routing. Each time you access an onion site, your data is encrypted and passed through multiple nodes. Each node peels away one layer of encryption, making it extremely difficult for anyone to trace your activities back to you. This multi-layered encryption is what makes the Tor network so effective at preserving anonymity. And there you have it, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Have some questions? Drop them in the comment below. I'll be super happy to help.